What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today I'm going to show you how to get your Ford Expedition started if your key fob dies. Whether that be a dead battery or some other issue with your key fob, I'm going to show you how you can still get your Expedition started. We're going to be doing it on a 2020 Ford Expedition here, but it will be the same on a few different years. I've taken the battery out of this key fob here to demonstrate, as you can see. And if we try to start it as we normally would, we're going to get a message here saying no key detected. So what we need to do is place the fob in the backup slot, and that's going to be located in the front cup holder. What we need to do is remove that rubber piece in the bottom, and then we can see the backup slot right there. So we're gonna place it in there with the remote upside down and the buttons facing the rear of the vehicle. So put it in there like that, and then we should just be able to start it as we normally would. So that's it, pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.